really jump ahead. It's not taking them.
Losing the break here in the second set. That drop shot return, which Raina got to plenty of time, but missed badly, has turned this game around. Now a point for 3-1.
She's shaking her head. Yes, that's what she wants to do.
She liked that one.
She wants to keep going after it, keep playing aggressive. There's nothing passive about Ons Jabeur.
Trukov in that camp, you know exactly the importance of this game. She's played well to get the early break in the set. Really having to fight for this game. 13th point at what feels like a really pivotal moment in this final.
Ooh.
Double has given Jabeur yet another break opportunity.
Went for a big one.
We predicted before Zip and Aces, Jabeur in a small group coming into this match. You're right, she's having to manage the frustration. She put a lot into that last game. To get back on serve, it didn't happen. She's mad at herself. But it's kind of carried over into this service game, which is important to keep her chances alive in the set. Getting away from her quickly.
Yeah, that was a rare miss. A rare miss, although it was in the